Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're thrilled to bring you a countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon. These top picks have been chosen based on their exceptional performance, rave reviews, and unbeatable value. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the finest filters available on the market today. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of engine protection with the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP 1017, ranked number 5 on our list of the best-selling filters on Amazon. This filter isn't just a part of your car, it's a guardian for your engine, meticulously crafted to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. First, let's talk about its exceptional flow rates. The K&N Premium Oil Filter is engineered to deliver high flow rates, ensuring a steady and consistent supply of oil to your engine. This means optimal performance, no matter what type of motor oil you use, synthetic, conventional, or blended. Compatibility is another strong suit of this filter. Designed to fit a range of vehicle models, including Alfa Romeo, Buick, Chevrolet, and Dodge, it's incredibly versatile. Check the product description for a full list of compatible vehicles, and you'll see just how adaptable this filter can be. Now onto its core function, protecting your engine. The pleated synthetic blend filtration media is designed to trap and remove harmful contaminants, safeguarding your engine against wear and tear. This filter doesn't just promise protection, it delivers it, through and through. But protection isn't the only thing it excels in. Durability is key, and the K&N Premium Oil Filter stands out with its heavy-duty canister construction. It's built to withstand the rigors of the road, offering outstanding durability that ensures it can handle longer service intervals recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. Ease of maintenance is also at the forefront. The fast and easy wrench-off removal feature makes changing your filter a breeze, saving you time and effort. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty, providing you with peace of mind and no-hassle support. Extensively tested in laboratories, this filter boasts excellent capacity and burst strength, proving it's more than capable of performing under pressure. It's not just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding them. In essence, the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP 1017, is your engine's best friend. Offering high flow rates, versatile compatibility, exceptional protection, and robust durability, it's a top-tier choice for anyone looking to keep their engine running smoothly and efficiently. So, whether you're driving an Alfa Romeo, Buick, Chevrolet, or Dodge, this filter has got you covered. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon is the K&N Air Filter Oil, an absolute game-changer in engine performance and efficiency. This isn't just any ordinary oil. It's a meticulously formulated solution designed to bring your K&N air filter back to life. First and foremost, let's talk about the specifics. This oil is crafted specifically for K&N air filters, ensuring a perfect match every time. It's not just about compatibility, it's about enhancing performance. Formulated to improve air filter efficiency, this oil ensures that your engine breathes easy, delivering peak performance mile after mile. Now, what makes this oil truly exceptional is its ability to penetrate and saturate the filter pleats swiftly. The K&N air filter oil traps those pesky contaminants that can reduce airflow and disrupt your engine's performance. Imagine every pleat of your filter saturated with this red oil, capturing dirt and debris with precision. The beauty of this product lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It cleans all oiled K&N air filters, ensuring they operate at their best. The red filter oil remains suspended in the pleats of the cotton filter material, allowing for exceptional contaminant capture. It's not just oil, it's a shield for your engine. Renewing efficiency is where this oil shines. It restores airflow efficiency, so your K&N air filter performs like new. Your engine deserves the best, and this oil delivers exactly that. In summary, the K&N air filter oil, in its sleek 347G aerosol can, is a powerhouse in a bottle. Specifically designed for K&N air filters, it improves performance, saturates filter pleats, and traps contaminants with ease. It's your go-to solution for maintaining and renewing your filter's efficiency, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who wants the best for their vehicle, this product is a must-have. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon is the K&N oil filter for select INFINITI, MAZDA, NISSAN, and SUBARU vehicles, model HP 1008. This isn't just an oil filter. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to keep your engine running at its peak performance. Let's dive into what makes this filter a standout. First up, the high flow rates. The K&N HP 1008 is crafted to deliver exceptional flow rates, ensuring a consistent and steady flow of oil to your engine. This means your engine gets the lubrication it needs, exactly when it needs it, enhancing overall performance. Versatility is key. This filter is designed to work seamlessly with all types of motor oils, synthetic, conventional, and blended. No matter what oil your vehicle uses, the K&N HP 1008 has got you covered, offering unmatched compatibility and convenience. Protection is paramount, and this filter excels with its pleated synthetic blend filtration media. It efficiently removes most harmful contaminants, safeguarding your engine from potential damage. You can drive with confidence, knowing your engine is well protected. Laboratory tested, this filter boasts excellent capacity and burst strength, proving its reliability under extreme conditions. It's not just built to meet expectations, it's built to exceed them. Maintenance is a breeze with the K&N HP 1008, thanks to its fast and easy wrench-off removal feature. Changing your filter has never been simpler, saving you time and effort. Durability is another hallmark of this oil filter. Its heavy-duty canister construction ensures outstanding durability, allowing it to withstand the rigors of the road. Plus, it's designed to handle the longer service intervals recommended by some vehicle manufacturers, offering high capacity and long-lasting performance. And let's not forget the 1-year limited warranty. This no-hassle warranty provides peace of mind, assuring you that K&N stands behind their product. In summary, the K&N oil filter for select INFINITI, MAZDA, NISSAN, and SUBARU vehicles, model HP 1008, is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking high flow rates, versatile compatibility, robust engine protection, and unmatched durability. It's the ultimate solution for keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend warrior, this filter is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine stall. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your engine running smoothly. Securing the number 2 spot on our countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon is the K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit, Model 99, 5050. This kit isn't just about cleaning. It's about reviving your air filter to its peak performance, ensuring your engine gets the clean air it needs. First, let's explore its primary function: cleaning. The K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit is designed to clean all oiled K&N air filters, effectively removing filter clogging buildup that can hinder performance. By restoring your filter to its exceptional condition, you ensure your engine operates smoothly and efficiently. What makes this kit stand out is the inclusion of Power Clean, a powerful degreaser. Power Clean is highly effective, quickly dissolving filter buildup and old oil, making it easy to rinse away grime with just water. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and ensuring your engine breathes easy. The kit also includes K&N's renowned red filter oil. This oil remains suspended in the pleats of the cotton filter material, allowing for exceptional contaminant capture. It's not just about cleaning, it's about protecting your engine from harmful particles that can cause wear and tear. Using the K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit is a straightforward process. First, spray on Power Clean to dissolve the grime. Rinse the filter with water to wash away the dissolved debris. Allow the filter to dry completely before applying fresh filter oil. This simple yet effective process renews your filter's efficiency, restoring airflow so it performs like new. The benefits are clear: restored performance and renewed efficiency. By regularly maintaining your K&N air filter with this cleaning kit, you ensure it continues to deliver high flow rates and optimal filtration, keeping your engine in top condition. In summary, the K&N air filter cleaning kit, Model 99, 5050, is an essential tool for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's performance. It cleans, restores, and protects, ensuring your air filter and your engine operate at their best. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or just looking to extend the life of your vehicle, this kit provides the solution you need for clean, efficient performance. And now, taking the crown at number 1 on our countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon is the K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit, Model 99, 5000. This kit isn't just a cleaning solution. It's a revitalizing powerhouse that ensures your engine's air filter performs at its peak every single time. Let's dive into why this kit reigns supreme. First and foremost, it cleans all oiled K&N air filters with unmatched efficiency. The K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit is meticulously designed to remove filter clogging buildup, restoring your air filter to its exceptional performance. Your engine deserves the best, and this kit delivers. A standout feature is the inclusion of Power Clean, a potent and highly effective degreaser. Power Clean works wonders by quickly dissolving filter buildup and old oil, making it effortless to rinse away grime with just water. This powerful cleaner ensures that every pleat of your filter is free from debris, ready to deliver optimal airflow. The kit also comes with KN's signature red filter oil. This oil is more than just a lubricant. It remains suspended in the pleats of the cotton filter material, allowing for exceptional contaminant capture. It's not just about cleaning, it's about ensuring long-lasting protection for your engine. Using the K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit is a straightforward process designed for ease and effectiveness. Start by spraying on Power Clean to dissolve grime. Rinse the filter thoroughly with water to wash away the dirt. Allow the filter to dry completely before applying the fresh, red filter oil. This simple yet effective process renews your filter's efficiency, ensuring it performs like new. The benefits of using this kit are clear: restored performance and renewed efficiency. By regularly maintaining your K&N air filter with this cleaning kit, you ensure that it continues to deliver high flow rates and optimal filtration, keeping your engine in top condition. In essence, the K&N Air Filter Cleaning Kit, Model 99, 5000, stands as the ultimate solution for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's performance. It cleans, restores, and protects, ensuring your air filter and your engine operate at their best. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or just looking to extend the life of your vehicle, this kit provides everything you need for clean, efficient performance. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling filters on Amazon. To stay up to date with the latest top picks, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.